She wanna slide on me, little baby wanna die for me. She wanna ride on me, baby girl wanna ride OD. She keep on grinding on me, cause I got design on me. She whipping on the Louis sheet, she keep on riding on me, yeah, yeah. I just wanna know, is you staying? And we can get it on, is all I'm saying. Every time we be fucking is amazing. But you keep playing all these games, you be wanting my last name, yeah. You be wanting my last name, yeah. But you can't take it. Yeah, I'm getting faded. And she wanna taste it. She wanna taste it. Yeah, I fuck her good, I make her lazy. But you can't take it. Yeah, I'm getting faded. And she wanna taste it. She wanna taste it. Yeah, I fuck her good, I make her lazy. Once you get this money, they move shady. I was anxious, tryna make it. Now they watch me lane switch on that same shit, but we got them full clips. Copping new fits, yeah, we rockin' new kids. She was ruthless, give me that she go stupid, that she go stupid. Yeah, 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 JFuzee. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We gon' slide on you niggas. Yeah, I'm talking about 5-6 figures. Too much honey, I been fucking up the liquor. On the block, I be posted with them hitters. So we gotta stay strong. Bullets fly in the sky and it puncture his lungs. Even walking with my mom, I gotta stay with a gun. Mama always told me, yeah, you gotta earn what you want. Get my diamonds so bright, yeah, it look like the sun. Yeah, I'm gone for a while, just remember me. Yeah, hit my sound with my melodies. Yeah, I'm tryna make it out with my family. Yeah, out of Cali for them better days. But I got money on my mind, I need to get paid. Yeah, she blowing up my line, I don't know her name. Yeah, she wanna go ride on my brand new Zane. Got me popping on these birds just to heal my pain. And all my niggas out here banging, they'll take your chain. If you ain't riding with the gang, then what the fuck you claim? Just a youngin' from the X, tryna change the game. Get my brothers and my mother on that private plane. I got my girl, she gon' slide with me, she wanna get high with me. Yeah, we came from nothing, coming straight out of poverty. Told my mother I'ma make it, hope that she proud of me. Told my mother I'ma make it, hope that she proud of me. We gon' slide on you niggas. Yeah, I'm talking about 5-6 figures. Too much honey, I been fucking up the liquor. On the block, I be posted with them hitters. So we gotta stay strong. Bullets fly in the sky and it puncture his lungs. Even walking with my mom, I gotta stay with a gun. Mama always told me, yeah, you gotta earn what you want. Get my diamonds so bright, yeah, it look like the sun. Yeah, I'm gone for a while, just remember me. Yeah, hit my sound with my melodies. Yeah, I'm tryna make it out with my family. Yeah, out of Cali for them better days. But I got money on my mind, I need to get paid. Yeah, she blowing up my line, I don't know her name. Yeah, she wanna go ride on my brand new Zane. Got me popping all these birds just to heal my pain. she suck it up, she wanna taste it. Always on my grind, stay patient. Put up on you when the ladies waiting till I pop, see the looks on their faces. Smoking on the guys, nigga, I be facing. Whipping up the drive, nigga, we be racing. Tryna get it back, yeah, that's what I'm chasing. Yeah. But they wanna carry on. Bitches gon' play my song. She wanna take it off. See my eyes, how they glowing. Yeah, baby girl, I'm a poet. Yeah, I just want you to show it. Yeah, fuck you good, I'm controlling. Yeah, fuck you good, I'm controlling. Yeah, baby, say my name. Baby girl, give me brain. I like it when you go insane. Just know you're not fucking with no lame, yeah. Fucking with no lame, yeah. Baby, stop playing, baby, stop playing, baby, stop playing games, yeah. You know, anything you want, yeah, I get it. You know, skirt off and I'm about to hit the engine. You know, stack all my money to the ceiling. Fuck a girl, now she wanna catch feelings. White gate to the top, we the reason, yeah. You know, anything you want, yeah, I get it. You know, skirt off and I'm about to hit the engine. You know, stack all my money to the ceiling. Fuck a girl, now she wanna catch feelings. White gang to the top, we the reason, yeah. 70 records, yeah. JFuzee.
Wish you well with your pretty brown eyes. Ooh, you got a story to tell with your pretty brown eyes. Cute little waist, body looking right with your pretty little face. It's your pretty brown eyes. Cute little waist, body looking right with your pretty little face. Yo, your pretty brown eyes, I fell for your lies. They said you wasn't it, I guess that they was right with your pretty brown eyes. Cute little waist, your Spanish accent had me feeling some type of way. I thought we'd be an item, I guess that I was wrong. You was playing in games and you was lying all along with your pretty brown eyes. Lips full of lies, we could have been Jay and Beyonce by now with your pretty brown eyes. You couldn't tell the truth, you couldn't tell the truth even if it was next to you with your pretty brown eyes. Looking like a model, when we were together I felt like I won a lotto with your pretty brown eyes. Distracted me from seeing you loved another man and I really couldn't believe it with your pretty brown eyes. Had me feeling crazy, a month after we broke up I heard you having a baby with your pretty brown eyes. Ooh, girl, I wish you well with your pretty brown eyes. Ooh, you got a story to tell with your pretty brown eyes. Cute little waist, body looking right with your pretty little face and your pretty brown eyes. Cute little waist, body looking right with your pretty little face and your pretty brown eyes. Belly getting big, you already got 2, about to have 3 kids. I heard you lost your job, can't afford to live alone. Baby daddy moving in, he paid the bill so that's his home. But pretty brown eyes, why you settling for less? It hurts me to see you struggle, but I do wish you the best. Even though you with a man who don't really love you, who thinks that he's above you, who feels like he could own you, and your pretty brown eyes.